the fellow travelers, Mark and
Caleb
with Wolters World, and Caleb has challenged me to the spicy noodle challenge. You may have seen this on TikTok and YouTube and all kinds of stuff, and so you get challenged by your kid. You gotta bring it. So Caleb, explain the challenge to us non-understanders.
Okay, so today we're going to be doing the spicy noodle challenge, and you pour water into this.
Okay, well let's pour water into it.
Alright.
Yep.
We have the spicy packet, which is like the spicy packet, really hot. And we have some sesame seeds and some seaweed. And we have 2 weights.
Oh.
I put this back on.
Okay. I don't want to let any heat out.
Yeah. So we gotta wait.
So we picked these up at our local Asian market in our hometown, and we're here visiting Grandma and Grandpa, and we thought what more fun we could do than have the spicy noodle challenge. Oh, very good. See, Caleb's got to make sure you get the right one. Very nice. So we're just going to stay here for 4 minutes.
I think it's good. We just need to break it up.
Well, yeah, break it. It says drain out the water.
Yeah.
Let's take it over here.
Yep. And last time I had water in it, so it made it a little less spicy.
Oh, wait, so last time you did it, you had, okay.
I had a bit of water in it, yeah.
So Caleb's done this challenge before, and it was hilarious.
Let's put
for me. So which one do we first?
Let's first do the sauce.
Okay, so this is the super spicy sauce.
Let's show 'em.
It says 2 times spicy, just in case you were wondering.
It's pretty black too.
Oh!
Dark, really spicy. Let's get a close up on this. Oh jeez, got it on my hand.
You want to go wash your hands before you put it in your face? Okay.
You have to get everything in there.
I'm getting there. See,
Jeez,
little by little.
little.
I can smell it already. Take it away from me. Next up. Oh, so you don't do water with the spicy stuff. We have milk. We got whole milk because you got to represent the whole milk, and we got some bread here. Caleb was nice enough to only give. Oh, you got to mix it up.
I'm mixing this all in.
Why do I wish I would have gone to the bathroom before this?
I'm thinking of my regrets.
Why did you want to do this? Jesus. Okay, I think it's stirred up. It's already going. Oh my gosh. Look at that last little bit. Okay, so then we take this stuff.
Let's show them this one.
Can you see in here? Looking good. Looking good.
Yep. So now we're gonna put in the extra accessoryable thingies.
Whatever it is, it's got 2 times the spice. So it must be nice.
You've got, seaweed and
Some sesame seeds?
yeah, I like that they add these toppings.
I mean, it smells super spicy, but it smells really good.
Yeah, it's really good ramen actually.
Okay. Hi, Liam.
You gotta have one bite of the noodle.
No.
Yeah, Liam, you want to try mine? You can eat mine.
No.
So when it gets in there, you get some of the seeds, and the seaweed stuff, and all these things. It's pretty good. I love you, Caleb. It's been nice knowing you. So are we doing the timer, or what are we doing?
I'm gonna need one more thing of milk. Okay, just one big glass, okay?
One big glass, one extra big
I remember
glass.
last time I drank half of the...
No, last time, so when he did this by himself, he went and got the gallon jug and started taking the milk and going crazy with it.
Yeah,
Where's the
All you're
seaweed?
doing is letting the heat get in there. We need to just get this over with,
It might
man.
be the seaweed that makes it smell like that.
Let's actually keep the jug out and keep pouring.
Keep the
All
jug.
right?
Yeah, I think that might be a good idea.
Chug.
Yeah, but I'll keep it over here for you. But give me that. I'll give you an extra glass.
Ooh, hey.
Liam, get off my phone.
Liam, don't play with the phone.
Fine.
Because you're going to watch your brother lose the spicy noodle challenge.
Oh,
We're also
that's
gonna
not
put
so
on a
bad.
timer and see who gets done first with the timer. All right. It's about to happen.
All right.
3.
2. Wait. As our buddy Randy Sante, we gotta have our heads back. And go.
Crap.
Nope. Okay. Once you drink the milk, you're out. And if you eat the bread, you're out.
Oh!
What? No, you gotta.
Whoever finishes first, not. I need
Oh, wait,
to.
I thought you had to.
Your lips are
I'm
red.
tingling.
Your lips are red. Like the bowl. Like on the front.
I'm fine.
Stop talking.
Keep going, Dilly. You got more?
Yeah.
No, you keep going. Just gonna get my nose.
Touch you.
So it tastes amazing, but
Killing your
it's
lips.
a little hot. But I'm gonna get through this. I want to show somebody. You bring a challenge, I gotta beat you. Whew, my dad has no idea what's going on.
Challenge.
Whew. Done. Boom. I don't need no milk. I don't need no milk. Ooh, 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Ah.
You're
Yeah.
you're not gonna be able to move.
Can I have some milk?
Don't move. I would not move if I were you. Like, here. Let's see how much.
I need to like dunk my lips in this.
Let's
But it's so good. Like you don't mind, like it burns, but you don't care because it's so good. Oh man. You want to have a bite, Liam?
No.
Here, come here. You have one. Want to have one bite?
No. I was just seeing how much Kato finished and he was like,
You know, if you leave the milk in your mouth, that's part of the sauce.
Sauce invaded that.
So the burn doesn't go away with
It's
the milk.
more on my lips than my actual mouth.
yeah.
Let's see what you got left. It's got about half of it left.
If
You know,
you're-
it took me like, a minute to get through.
Oh, way less than half, like a quarter.
So so you do the bread and milk, but the thing is once you stop, if you take the milk out of your mouth, the burn starts again. You know, and I'm not doing this because it's hot. I'm just doing this for the vitamin D. Oh man.
So, your lips burn, you can't stop drinking milk, but
It's still so good. You gonna finish that?
You're
Yeah, I'll-
you are crazy if you're
So-
gonna eat that.
you know what? My stomach is so full from the milk now.
So full from the milk. Why are you doing water? That's gonna make it worse. So, I think it's official. I have definitely won the spicy noodle challenge of the Wolters family. So, I'm ready for Randy Sante.
Then eat the rest of Canaan.
Oh.
You are ready.
Eat the rest of Caleb. Can I have the finish? You want me to have the rest of yours?
Yeah, just let me keep a couple noodles.
So,
I'm not gonna eat it.
you're not gonna eat it? Why not? So explain to the camera, what did your brother look like while he ate it? Or your dad? What do we look like? We look happy?
No, you look like elbow just.
Technical term? Alright. Sure want some?
I don't want any. I have the best but worst idea ever.
Watch out. Stop.
Come on.
Alright, there you go. There's enough there already. Go, Caleb! Oh, I got one bite left, dude. One bite left.
It's easier to
Just get it done, man. I'm telling you, just get it done. Then you're done. Oh, two done. Dude, I got more of those for you if you need it. So this is for all those teenagers thinking their parents can't handle it anymore. I think this proves that old folks can still bring it when it comes to Spicy Noodle Challenge! As he's sucking on water. There you go. And Liam's destroying the bread. Anyway, Liam, come say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Caleb, you want to say bye? Anyway, so all I know is Grandma's going to be upset because someone's throwing bread on the table. And yeah, honestly, the Spicy Noodle Challenge. This stuff, dude. This stuff is actually really good. This is like really, really tasty. But yeah, the spice is pretty hot. It's starting to come down with me. Dude, stop with the water, man. I'm telling you, the milk and whey works best.
I can't.
So the milk really killed it a lot. Didn't take all the heat away. It's still there. It's over time. It's starting to go down a bit. But yeah, that was dang good. So,
Go down.
Spicy Noodle Challenge from the Wolters family.
Hi.
Any last words, Caleb, before we go? Maybe you one, Dad, would be nice.
I'll get you next time.
Oh, get me next time. All right, we'll see you later. Bye.